This is our question number 7, in which we had to make a calculator, for which this is the program in language C. So first of all, I have included the header files, then I have declared the input and output ports, then these three characters, unsigned characters, and then I have made an infinite loop in which it will wait if there is 0 at the pin B. So when we run the simulation, it will just wait here at this line. After we have input some number on the keypad, like if we have pressed the number 1, then that number will be stored in C, and the LED at port A1 will turn on, which will tell us that now we have proceeded. So now we have to take the value of our first operand, which is here. If C is equal to 1, then the value of pin B will be stored in A. So when the port A1 LED turns on, we have to put our operator operand 1, which will be saved into character A. After that, we have assigned C2, then it will enter C2, then the LED at port A2 will turn on, which will indicate that now we have to input our second operand. So after a delay of 1 second, which will give us enough time to change the number at the keypad, so then the second operand will be saved in character B. After that, all LEDs will be turned off, and after 1 second, this will give us time to input the operator code. So these are the operator codes. C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. So at this time we will press any of the operator codes. If we have pressed 3, then port F will return A plus B. On any of these numbers, if we insert them at the point when we have this all LEDs off, those numbers will eventually give an output at the port F, which will be one of these according to the number. So after that, we have sent the data serially using the data from port F and set into UDR0, which is our output. So now for the simulations, here we have our Proteus simulation. Now we will run it. Actually, I have to upload the file again. Now I have uploaded the file. Now it needs to be uploaded again. The file has been uploaded, and it will wait until I press 1 over here. So it is waiting at the first line. Now when I press 1, it will ask me to input the first number. You can see from the LEDs. Now second number, 4, and after both LEDs are off, I have to input the operator code. Now I have entered the operator code, which is 3, which was to add them. Now I have got 6 at the output. 6 was not being displayed properly, so I will input any other numbers. So I have pressed 1, now I have pressed 2. So when the second LED turns on, I will press 1. So we have 2 and 1, and now we have to add them, which will I have pressed 3. Now it will give us the output, which is 3. Adding both of them gave us 3. Now if I press 1, now I have 2 and then the second number is 1, and then I have to subtract them.